Hey, how's it going, everybody? Jeff with 10 Plus here. Really excited to share with you a project that we're going to be working on this week. Behold, the 2021 Corvette C8 convertible in rapid blue. Gorgeous, gloss, but we're gonna take the gloss out of it. And how are we gonna do that? With Suntek paint protection matte finish film. We're gonna put an 8mm film on here to protect the car from road debris, rocks, shopping carts, keys, the whole elements. But take a look now, see how shiny and pretty it is? It's gonna be mean and matte, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so there you have it. What an amazing transformation. We took this rapid gloss blue on this Corvette and we took the gloss away. We made it matte and it came out fantastic. And the customer was super pleased. He now has a one-of-a-kind car in this area. So shout out to the customer for the opportunity to work with them. Shout out to my guys for doing a fantastic job. Appreciate you guys taking a look and stay tuned. We have more projects coming up.